$2 trillion? That's how big the global wellness industry is right now. But let me ask you, if wellness is a $1 trillion game, why do so many of us still have shit water habits? Why do we spend hundreds on supplements, boutique gyms, mindfulness apps, and retreats, but forget the one free foundational habit that fuels everything else? Hydration. We live in a paradox. Millennials and Gen Z are driving more than 40% of wellness spending in the US alone. They're buying sleep trackers, beauty supplements, meditation apps, and personalized nutrition plans. But when you zoom in, many still run on coffee, energy drinks, and sugar-laced hydration hacks while barely drinking enough clean, plain water. This isn't just a health problem, it's a mindset problem. It's the gap between spending on wellness and living wellness. Let's break it down. 1. The $2 trillion wellness industry. Wellness has exploded. Functional foods, mindfulness apps, boutique retreats, weight loss drugs, longevity products. Every brand wants your attention, your dollars, your loyalty. 2. Generational habits. Millennials, 29 to 44 years old, and Gen Z, 13 to 28-year-olds, aren't dabbling in wellness. They're embedding it in daily life. They want personalization, convenience, and proof that what they're buying works. Yet, when surveyed, hydration basics rarely make the list of top priorities. Sleep, fitness, beauty, and mindfulness dominate. 3. The disconnect. You can't biohack your way to peak performance if you're dehydrated. It's like trying to run the latest iPhone software on 5% battery. Think of it this way. I've coached sales executives spending thousands on longevity clinics, but they crash at 3 p.m. because they haven't had a single glass of water all day. Gen Z clients will spend $80 on face serum, but not 2 cents to refill a reusable water bottle. Hydration isn't sexy, but it's foundational. Science is simple here. Even mild hydration, just 1 to 2%, can impair memory, mood, and concentration. Hydration boosts energy, skin health, digestion, weight management, and sleep quality. McKinsey's survey highlights growth in functional beverages, gut health, immunity, energy, but too often these are marked as add-ons instead of addressing the core habit, drinking water consistently. So how do you fix your shit water habits? Here are some practical action steps. 1. Baseline check. Track how much plain water you drink daily. 2. Anchor habits. Pair water with existing routines. Wake up, 1 glass. Each meal, 1 glass. Workout, refill bottle. 3. Upgrade your environment. Keep a full bottle within arm's reach. Make hydration frictionless. 4. Audit your wellness spend. Before dropping $100 on wellness products, ask, am I hydrated? Here's some free advice. Stop confusing hydration with caffeination. Coffee, soda, energy drinks, they don't count. Here's the truth. You don't need to buy your way into the $2 trillion wellness movement. You can step into it for free every single day with the simplest act. Drink enough water. Hydration is leadership. Hydration is self-respect. Hydration is the gateway habit that makes every other wellness investment actually work. So let's recap. The wellness industry is booming, especially with millennials and Gen Z. But too many of us have shit water habits, chasing trends while neglecting the foundation. Fixing hydration is the simplest, cheapest, most powerful wellness upgrade available to you right now. Start today, commit, no more shit water habits. Drink with intention, build the foundation. Then let your wellness investments amplify from there. Remember, wellness doesn't start with a retreat, an app, or a supplement. It starts with a sip. You've got this.